In this video, I'll tell you how you can stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. First of all, click on three dots right here, then scroll down and go to settings. And at the left hand side, you can see privacy and security. Go there and right here you can see security. Click on that, then scroll down and right here you will need to select standard protection like so. However, if the issue still remains, then you can select no protection for time being as well. And once you download that file, then you can go back to standard protection. Click on turn off and now you can download whatever you want. And Google Chrome won't stop you from downloading. However, it is recommended that you choose standard protection. Once you have downloaded the file, make sure to go back to standard protection. So that's how you can fix if Google Chrome is blocking your downloads. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.